Hey, my name's Eric Lurie. I was recently promoted to the VP of Sales at Triumph Tech. We're here at the Lighthouse field in Philadelphia, and we're extremely excited to be a part of the kickoff of the Guiding Light program. The Lighthouse has been serving the Philadelphia area for many years in helping the kids get off the streets, get access to laptops, technologies, hot meals, introduction to sports, and know that there's options available outside of some of the things that are happening in the streets of Philadelphia here. Two of our core values that we have both internally and for our engagements with customers are servant leadership and deliver impactful results. We feel we're here to give back to the local Philadelphia community where our CEO, founder, and myself are all from, as well as to make an impact in our local community and to really help these kids access the next steps of their lives, whether that be in technology, through sports, or getting into other business fields and getting introductions through some of the connections from Triumph Tech.